Good morning, students. Today I'm gonna tell you a story of the cat and the bell. The story is very interesting, and as the name suggests, the story is of a cat. And not only cat, in our story we do have some mice also. Mice, बहुत सारे चूहे. So the story is about cat and some mice. Actually, that cat lived in a very old house, and that house was full of dust. Because it was old, nobody lived there, so there was dust everywhere. It was so dirty. A few birds had their nest also there. When human beings don't live in the houses, that place becomes free for the animals and birds to live. So they lived there without any fear, because that house there was nobody else. So few birds made their nests there and were living there happily. That big cat also came there every day. Why? Why that cat come? Just because to have those mice. Because cat loves to eat mice. When the cat was away, the mice ran about here and there, because they were without any fear. If cat is nowhere around, the mice felt very happy, very free to move here and there. But the birds and the mice were afraid of the cat, and they should be. Actually में बहुत डर लगता है mice को cat से, right? और birds को भी लगता था, because cat can have them also as their food. The cat caught the mice and ate them up. When she was full, she sat down to rest. This is something about food chain. What is food chain? एक animal दूसरे animal को मारकर खाता है. This is food chain. So we can't stop it. So cat eat mice, and whenever mice felt that cat was nowhere around, they were happy. They ran here and there. But when mice came to know that cat is here, they were afraid. Why were they afraid? That cat would eat them up. Then one day, they all mice sat together and said to each other, "We must do something about it. The cat must stop catching us," said the mice. क्या कहा उन्होंने? That we should stop doing this. What this? That we should stop anyhow. That cat should not eat us, and the cat should not catch us this way. Then a little white mouse got up and said, "The best way is run off fast when the cat comes." So what did the little mouse suggested? That we should all run very fast when the cat comes near to us. But others started thinking, how can we do that? We do not hear the cat when she comes to catch us, said the other mice. Have you seen any mice or any cat like this? Have you seen? The cat moves very slowly, very quietly, without even being noticeable. We cannot notice when she is moving. When the cat is moving, we cannot notice. No sound she makes. So another mouse suggested, "Let's put a bell on her." Wow, what a great idea. They thought that they are not able to get the sound when the cat comes. They could not hear that. So the idea that came in their mind was, "Let's put a bell on her," said the white mouse. The mice were very happy. All, after listening this, became very happy that it is a great idea, and now the cat would have a bell on her, and whenever she will come closer to us, whenever she will come to catch us, we would immediately know. "Yes, let us put a bell on her," they all said. And actually they were very excited that it is going to be a great help. when the bell rings, we will run off fast. So they thought if they will put a bell on the cat, whenever the cat will move, the bell will ring and they all will run fast. Why would they run fast? To escape from that cat. But an old mouse said, "Don't be so happy, my friends." What did he say? Don't be so happy, my friends. Can you tell me who will put the bell on the cat? Now this was the troublesome job, because if anybody will go near to cat to put that bell on her, the cat would finish that mouse. The cat would eat that mouse. Now, who is going to do that job? No one can do. So the old mouse, being experienced, ऐसा बोला जाता है जो घर के बड़े लोग होते हैं, they are very experienced, क्योंकि उन्होंने लाइफ में इतना कुछ देखा हुआ है, they know कि क्या कर सकते हैं, कब कर सकते हैं. इसे हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं बिल्ली के गले में घंटी कौन बांधेगा. सो एक्चुअली में ये एक बहुत ब्रेवरी का टास्क है, बिकॉज बीइंग अ माउस यू कैन नॉट गो नियर टू द कैट, बिकॉज कैट विल ईट यू अप. सो व्हाट कैन बी डन? Who can put that bell on the cat? So that old mouse immediately said, "Don't be happy, my friends." और उस old mouse ने ये ठीक ही कहा. सभी खुश तो हो गए ये सुन के कि अगर हम बेल बांध देंगे कैट के ऊपर तो कैट जब जब मूव करेगी we would know that. बट द प्रॉब्लम वॉज, ये तो किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं कि सब माउस हैं, सब माउस होके आप कैसे जा सकते हो कैट के नियर, कौन करेगा ये काम. तो दे नीडेड समबडी एल्स फॉर दिस. और ये बात पहले किसी के भी माइंड में नहीं आई. किसने ये बात उनके माइंड में डाली? द ओल्ड माउस, बीइंग सो एक्सपीरियंस्ड. सो नाउ दे स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग ओवर that who can help them in this work. Now they went closer to the birds, those birds who also lived in the same house. They went closer to those birds and told them their problem. अब उन्होंने अपनी प्रॉब्लम जो है उन बर्ड्स से डिस्कस की कि कैन वी सॉल्व इट, हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व इट, इज देयर एनी वे कि हम ये बेल जो है वो बांध सकें कैट को. देन द बर्ड्स थॉट दैट कैन बी डन इफ वी ऑल यूनाइट टुगेदर, वी कैन डू दिस वर्क, वी कैन टेक अ चांस एट लीस्ट. A few of them were very afraid. No, we don't want to take any chance. We can't lost our life like this way. The cat would eat up all, and we will not be happy while doing this. So few of them denied, no, we are not with you in this work. But few said, no, we should at least give it a trial. We can't leave this place. We can't leave this place for that cat. We are actually enjoying in this house. Why should we leave this house for that cat? So we all should unite together. We should take the help of these birds, so that if we all will do it together, maybe we will win. Actually students, it's very very important, whatever the task we are going to do, if we do it as a teamwork, if we do it as a united, we definitely get success in that. If I'm going to do something all alone, there is a chance I may get afraid, I may get fall, I may get failure in that work. But if I'm going to make it a teamwork, if we do it together, the chances of success increases. So they all decided that they all will work for it together, and they made a trap for the cat. When the cat entered the house, there was few strings attached from one corner to another to make that cat confused, and they all tried to put that bell on the cat. And after so much struggle, they finally succeed in this. Anyhow, उन्होंने finally वो bell cat पर डाल ही दी. Due to all their labor they put in together. So when they succeed, they all were very happy. And now, whenever the cat moved towards them, they all were aware and they started running fast to escape themselves. So this was the story of the cat and the bell. I hope you liked the story. Have a good day.